दोस्तों, हम गेस्ट मोड क्यों यूज़ करेंगे? जब हमारे घर में रिलेटिव्स आएंगे और आपके फ़ोन पूछेंगे गेम्स खेलने के लिए, तब आप बोलेंगे कि मेरे डिवाइस ख़राब हो गया है और उसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, नया डिवाइस है करके आप एस्केप कर सकते हैं। इसलिए गेस्ट मोड क्रिएट किया है दोस्तों। Hey, what's up guys? This is your tech advisor, and in this video I'm going to show in detail review of guest mode in Realme UI. Actually, I updated the Realme UI latest version of Realme XT to C6, so I got this guest mode here. So I'll show you everything about guest mode. Let's get started. If you want to use guest mode, you have to scroll down the notification and open this click that button, and you can see owner and guest, and you can also add a new user. Currently I am in owner, and you can switch to guest by clicking on that button. There are two options here, more settings and done. If I click more settings, this is the same one. You can edit the owner's name, I think. Yeah, you can edit owner's name, and you can also set an album for this. I'll leave that album like that. You can also add a guest by adding your name, so guest will be added. You can also do that. So you can also delete access calls and messages. You can also set that everything. So these are the guest modes. You can add up to 8 or 7 guest modes in a single device. So these are guest modes, so you can add up to 7 to 8 users, and another guest mode is separately there. So this is the review of guest mode, so it's good. If I switch to guest mode, the screen recording will be stopped, so that's why I'm not showing that. I already tested the guest mode. It's whenever I open a guest mode, it's like a new device.
So why is it so hard?